In question 24, we're given the results of the hockey tournament between Rovers, United, City and Wanderers, and we want to work out the score in the game between Rovers versus United. So let's consider the games played by United. We see that there were 2 draws and 1 loss. So let's think about the game that United lost. What was the goal difference in this game? Well, in both of the games that United drew, the goals scored for and goals scored against must have been the same. In other words, the goal difference was 0. But over the entire tournament, we can see that 6 goals were scored against and 3 goals were scored for. So in total, the goal difference was 3. So that means in the game that United lost, the goal difference must have been 3. In other words, 3 more goals were scored against United in that game than United scored. So which game did United lose? Well, let's have a look at the results for Rovers. Rovers won every single game. So in particular, Rovers must have beaten United. And so Rovers won the game against United, and so United must have lost that game. This is a good sign because this is the game that we're interested in. Okay, so now we know that the game that United lost was their game against Rovers, and so we know that the goal difference must have been 3. But let's look at the results for Rovers, where we see that 0 goals were scored against Rovers over the entire tournament. So in their game against Rovers, United must have scored 0 goals. And if the goal difference was 3, that means that Rovers scored 3 goals. And so the result was 3-0. I will leave you to work out how all the other games in the tournament must have gone.